On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 Voltage 4225 by Dutchmen RV. This toy hauler is an amazing RV with tons of premium features that won't disappoint. Inside is an oasis of comfort that is your home away from home. You'll be amazed by the amount of luxury and space available with 7-foot-tall slides giving you all the room needed to stretch out while relaxing comfortably inside. A pantry sits next to the 18-cubic-foot refrigerator, and a large 4-burner range under the microwave is surrounded by plenty of countertop prep space. There is an extra sleeping accommodation in a cozy loft bed just above the garage entry. And you'll find even more sleeping space in the convertible 13-foot garage area at the rear. With a power lift bunk and lay-flat twin sofas, convenient second exterior door, ceiling-mounted storage cabinets with TV in between, and an enclosable half bathroom, you can offer your guest an entire suite of their own to enjoy with easy access to outside activities. As you move to the front, the door at the top left of the stairs is the dual-entry bathroom, with a sink and mirrored medicine cabinet on one side, and a residential glass enclosed shower on the other. There's also a domed skylight providing extra headspace and natural lighting during daylight hours. Continuing back through the second entry into the private front bedroom, there is a slide-out king-size bed, full mirrored wardrobe closet with all necessary storage compartments, dresser with TV in a cabinet above. This fifth wheel is going to get you pumped to start traveling. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.